Is Lightspeed a broker? That's the question we're tackling today. You're here because you're probably looking for a new trading platform. Maybe you've heard some buzz about Lightspeed, and you want to know the bottom line. Are they a broker? And if so, are they the right broker for you? Well, you've come to the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know about Lightspeed, from its core functionality to its pricing, its pros, its cons, and ultimately, whether it deserves a spot on your short list of potential brokers. Now, before we dive into the specifics of Lightspeed, let's talk a little bit about what a broker is and why it matters. In the simplest terms, a broker is the middleman between you, the trader, and the market. They provide the platform, the tools, and the access you need to buy and sell securities like stocks, options, ETFs, and sometimes even more complex instruments. Choosing the right broker is absolutely crucial because it can significantly impact your trading experience and ultimately your profitability. Think of it like choosing the right car for a road trip. You need something reliable, something that fits your needs, and something that won't leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere. So, back to our original question. Is Lightspeed a broker? The short answer is yes. Lightspeed is indeed a brokerage firm. They cater primarily to active traders, those who are serious about their trading and who need a robust platform with advanced features. They're not really geared towards casual investors or beginners who are just dipping their toes into the market. Think of them less like a comfortable sedan and more like a high-performance sports car. It's powerful and capable, but it might not be the best choice if you're just learning to drive. Now, let's delve into what Lightspeed offers. One of their key strengths lies in their trading platforms. They offer a variety of platforms designed for different trading styles and needs. They have a desktop platform, a web-based platform, and mobile apps, giving you flexibility in how and where you access the markets. These platforms are generally considered to be quite powerful, offering advanced charting tools, customizable layouts, and direct market access. This is a big deal for active traders who need lightning-fast execution and the ability to analyze market data quickly and efficiently. Speaking of execution, that's another area where Lightspeed often shines. They emphasize fast and reliable order execution, which is critical for active traders, especially those who engage in high-frequency trading or scalping. Slippage, which is the difference between the price you expect to get and the price you actually get, can be a real pain, and Lightspeed aims to minimize this. But, like any broker, Lightspeed has its pros and cons. While their platforms and execution are generally well-regarded, their pricing structure can be a bit more complex than some of the discount brokers out there. They typically charge per-share commissions, and these can add up if you're trading frequently. They also have various platform fees and other potential charges, so it's absolutely essential to understand their fee schedule before you open an account. Don't get caught off guard by unexpected costs. Another thing to consider is their customer service. While some users have reported positive experiences, others have mentioned challenges in getting timely and helpful support. This is something to keep in mind, especially if you're new to trading or if you anticipate needing a lot of assistance. Now, who is Lightspeed not for? As we mentioned earlier, they're not really geared towards beginners or passive investors. If you're just starting out and you're looking for a simple platform to buy and hold a few stocks, Lightspeed is probably overkill. Their platforms can be a bit overwhelming for newbies, and their pricing structure might not be the most cost-effective for infrequent traders. There are plenty of other brokers out there that cater specifically to beginners with simpler platforms and lower fees. So who is Lightspeed for? They're a good fit for active traders who need a powerful platform, fast execution, and advanced charting tools. If you're someone who trades frequently, who relies on technical analysis, and who needs direct market access, Lightspeed might be worth considering. They're also a good option for traders who are willing to pay a bit more for a premium trading experience. Before you make any decisions, though, do your due diligence. Compare Lightspeed to other brokers that you're considering. Look at their fees, their platforms, their customer service, and their overall reputation. Read reviews from other traders and see what they have to say. Don't just take my word for it. Do your own research. One thing I always recommend is to take advantage of any demo accounts that brokers offer. This allows you to try out the platform before you commit any money. You can get a feel for the interface, the charting tools, and the order entry process without risking any of your own capital. It's a great way to see if a platform is a good fit for your trading style and preferences. Ultimately, The best broker for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. What works for one trader might not work for another. So, take your time, do your research, and choose a broker that aligns with your trading goals and your risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.